Capercaillie. The Capercaillie, Tetrao the largest of the grouse family, was exterminated in Scotland in 1785. Reintroduced during the 19th century.
Peafowl. Peafowl is a common name for two bird species of the genus Pavo, and one species of the closely related genus Afropavo within the tribe Pavonini of the family Phasianidae, the pheasants and their allies. Black woodpecker. The black woodpecker, Dryocopus martius, is a large woodpecker that lives in mature forests across the northern Palearctic. It is the sole representative of its genus in that region. Masked shrike. The masked shrike is a species of bird in the shrike family, Laniidae. It breeds in southeastern Europe and at the eastern end of the Mediterranean, with a separate population in eastern Iraq and western Iran. It is migratory, wintering mainly in northeast Africa. Thanks for watching. Follow, subscribe and share informative videos of birds.